What is the difference between a project lifecycle and a product lifecycle? A project lifecycle focuses on completing the project, while a product lifecycle involves ongoing enhancements and iterations until the product is retired. How does knowing the project scope influence the choice of project approach? If the scope is clear, a predictive or phased approach may be chosen. If the scope is complex or unknown, iterative, incremental, or agile approaches are more suitable. What is the main drawback of the waterfall approach? The main drawback is the lack of flexibility. Once a phase is completed, it's difficult to go back, leading to significant rework if errors are discovered later. What is the advantage of using adaptive approaches in project management? Adaptive approaches allow for regular feedback, enabling early detection and correction of issues, which reduces the risk of significant rework. What is the difference between iterative and incremental approaches? Iterative approaches focus on refining and improving the product over multiple cycles, while incremental approaches add new features in each stage. What is a hybrid approach in project management? A hybrid approach combines predictive and adaptive methods, allowing flexibility while maintaining structured planning. Hybrid approaches are often used in projects with both clear, fixed requirements, e.g., hardware, and variable, evolving requirements, e.g., software.